In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple ID verification code not received. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like we're doing it in real time. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or that your cellular data is turned on and working properly, because without a stable connection, the verification code might never come through. If the connection looks okay but you're still not getting anything, a quick trick you can try is refreshing the network. Just swipe down to open Control Center and turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This reconnects your phone to the network, and sometimes that alone makes the code arrive. Another thing to think about is whether you have more than one Apple device signed in with the same Apple ID. The verification code might be popping up on an iPad, Mac, or another iPhone instead of the one you're holding. So take a moment to check any other devices you own and see if the code showed up there by mistake. If you still haven't received it, let's go ahead and update your phone number through Apple's website. Open up the Safari browser on your iPhone and tap into the address bar. Type in account.apple.com and go to that page. Once it loads, sign in with your Apple ID and password like you normally would. After you're logged in, look for the section called Email and Phone Numbers and tap on that. This is where Apple stores the contact details used for verification codes. Under the phone numbers area, you'll see a little plus icon, so tap on that to add a new phone number. Here you can enter a different number that you have access to, maybe another mobile line or a family member's phone that you can use temporarily. Once you add and verify that number, Apple will be able to send the verification code there instead, and that usually solves the problem right away. After adding the new number, try requesting the verification code again, and it should come through without any issues. These steps cover the most common reasons the code doesn't arrive, and in most cases, one of these fixes will get your Apple ID working normally again.